Okay, we're back with the Hadean Strat, and here is the old trem block I was telling you guys about. This is the original trem block that came with the guitar. Okay, you notice how thin this block is. Remember, I told you I was going to. Let me see how thin that is. Told you I was going to get the trem block from the Fender big block Strat. So here's the one. So you can see right away, set them side by side, the difference in the block itself, how thick the one is that's going in there now. Okay, so there's the old one. You see how thin that is. And then you see the big one, the new one that's going in there now. Now, having said that, I'm very happy with the size of the block. However, when I went to install it, as you can tell, I've got 3 screws started on here. But what happened was, as you can see here, this does not cover up part of the hole, the original hole for the trem system. If I push, you can see it very well. If I try to push, and the holes fit just barely now as it is. If I were to push the trem block all the way up to where it touches the pick guard, then what happens is the existing holes are going to be too close to the new holes that you would drill. So what you end up doing is washing out the side of the hole the new hole that you drill will join to the old hole that's in there already. So what I decided to do is I pushed it back as far as I could, allow me to just barely get those screws into the existing holes. It's going to be fine. It's not going to affect the sound, but the only little thing that I don't like very well is just going to have this little bit of the hole that you can see next to the trem. So that's not going to be, hardly noticeable at all, and I think it'll work just fine. But I just wanted to show you what the progress was so far on this. So I'll stop here and finish installing the trem system, and hopefully everything will work fine. Alright, thank you. There we go.